Hi students, parents and our well-wishers. I am very much elated and want to share a delightful news which you will appreciate. On March 29th, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, that is CMA Institute, has declared CMA Inter and CMA Final results of Jan 2021 attempt. Our mastermind students have created a thumping and groundbreaking record by achieving more than 82 All India ranks at CA Inter and Final levels, along with All India first and second ranks, to the surprise of everyone. So I think everyone is aware that CMA Institute announces only top 50 All India ranks for both CMA Inter and CMA Final levels separately. And one more specialty is in CA or CMA courses, same rank will be awarded to multiple students based on equality of marks. Our heartfelt congratulations to all the rankers and their parents for their trust and confidence on our masterminds, and we'll also applaud our faculty and non-teaching staff for their cooperation. So, just like in IIT or NEET examinations, it is not mandatory for everyone to get a rank in CA or CMA courses. Ranks will not be awarded to everyone. Qualifying is more than sufficient, and rank is just an added advantage in CA or CMA courses. We honestly admit that major credit for this success definitely goes to students and their parents. We does not want to claim the credit for their success. We play the facilitator role by making a level playing field for the success of every student. Of course, but only few students will get the ranks. We pray God that all these students should reach invincible heights and enjoy the life with successful courage, and shall bring laurels to their parents and to our organization. No doubt, this time our determined team has created wonders, but it may not happen always. It's a magic, and we cannot expect such magic to happen every time. So I request all of you to bestow same love and affection by blessing our team, even if we are not able to achieve the same performance every time. So happy to share this news with all of you, Team Masterminds.